forensic nurse, I see patients after they've experienced an act of violence, and that can mean sexual violence, that can mean domestic violence, it can mean human trafficking, strangulation, elder abuse, child abuse, the list goes on. Paid leave Oregon matters to me because having the time off to take care of ourselves or our loved ones when we're experiencing illness or injury is a part of comprehensive health care. When we are able to take care of ourselves in a timely fashion, we prevent health complications from arising down the line from not having the time or space to take care of things when they arise. Well, in every single specialty that I've worked in as a nurse, I've seen patients who didn't feel like they had the time or the financial ability to deal with an injury or an illness or something else that they needed to medically, and were coming in to see us down the line. And what that meant is that it was harder to then get a handle on that illness or injury. It involved ultimately more expense, more time, more stress to them, and it meant that it was harder to catch back up and help them return to health. If those patients had had the ability to take paid time off when they needed to, all of that could have been averted. One of the things that's most exciting to me about Paid Leave Oregon is the coverage it provides for people after they have experienced an act of sexual or domestic violence or stalking or harassment. When I see patients in the hospital after they've experienced an assault, obviously they're having a lot of stress about the assault itself, but almost all of them also express stress over the fact that now they need to go back to work or school the next day. And they're concerned about the financial implications, they're concerned about having to return to their daily life and daily obligations when they're still in this immediate post-assault stress response. Being able to give them some time and space to take care of themselves, we know can actually mitigate the trauma that they experienced and help them get on the path to healing more quickly and easily, versus going back into a stressful environment and not being able to take time for themselves can actually make the trauma that they experienced worse and lead to worse outcomes for them down the line.